All right, right here we have two fuel pumps from the Transverse 3.5 liter EcoBoost found in the SHO, Ford Flex, Ford Explorer Sport, both the police interceptor, police utility, the police utility sedan, and the SUV, as well as I think the Lincoln MKZ, a few other vehicles. Anyway, I just wanted to point out a difference. So this is the 2013 up SHO fuel bucket, and this is the 2013 up Ford Explorer bucket. They're identical. This is completely identical. This one's been modified already with the Hellcat pump, by the way, but the bucket itself, everything is identical except for one small detail. The float switch, which is right here. This is the one right here from the Explorer, the longer one. The shorter one is the SHO. Now this pump right here is pretty pricey. It's like over 300 bucks, 350, 360 bucks. For some reason this one's cheaper. I don't know why. But if you guys want to have a cheaper option and you want to get a new one, buy the Explorer one and just take off, disconnect the one off your existing fuel pump whenever you get it. All you're going to do is just, I got to get a screwdriver, but you just hold this in. I'm going to pause it. Alright, all you're going to do here is hold that in. Bring it up. And then pull it straight out. And it's disconnect. And then you just disconnect it. And then you just disconnect the connector right here. And installation is the reverse. You could use your level sender from your old one. Give it a little bit. You just install it straight in, push it down, and you're good. Anyway, that might save you a little bit of money for our new fuel bucket. Bye. And just if you're curious, SHO, part number, Explorer, part number.